Hey guys, my name is Abhishek and thank you so much for tuning in to the Code Studio. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about CSS animation. CSS animation has been a thing for a while now, and especially now when people are trying to build really interactive websites, CSS animation becomes super relevant. I wanted to give you guys a basic overview of CSS animation so that you can get started with the integration of it with your portfolio websites. So let's get started. With me over here, I have a very basic React app, nothing fancy. There's a header that says hello world. And in the CSS for that header, I've changed the width to be 50% and I've added a background color so that it's easily distinguishable from the background. So what I'm going to do now is add a couple of animations to this hello world element. So we do that by going into the CSS file, and in that specific element that you want to animate, you add a animation property and you describe the animation name and the animation duration and what do you want the animation to do after one cycle, and finally you want to also tell what you how many times you want the animation to happen. So these are the four basic properties, which is the animation name, the time duration of the animation, what do you want the animation to do after one cycle, and how many cycles do you want the animation to have. So these are the four basic properties. And the next thing we need to do is we need to define what this animation does. So we describe a keyframe of the name of the animation name, and we describe the start and end state. So transform is a CSS property that we use to move an element around in the DOM. So we use translate x to move it along the x-axis, that is left to right. So at 0 I want the element to be where it is already, and at the end state of the animation I want the element to be completely completely hidden. I want the element to basically move completely to the left and create the illusion that the element is disappearing. So we can do that through something like this. See, as you can see the element is withdrawing towards the left, and there's a really cool animation. And this is a more practical usage of something like this would be a lot of places you would have seen that when you scroll into view of any element, you will see that element coming in towards you. So this can be a header, this can be a pop-up, this can be an ad, whatever. When you have an animation like this, it's easily noticeable and it draws your attention towards it. So I wanted to show you one more thing. So because this animation property is very malleable, you can have multiple animations associated with a single element. The way we do that is first we create another keyframe, and let's say we want to change the color. I'm going to pick some random color, aqua, and for the final state I am going to pick another random color. Okay, these two seem like good colors. So as you can see, that animation is not yet added because we have not added it to our section over here. We can do that by just adding a comma and adding the next animation and the necessary properties for that animation. We do this and you can see that as the element moves in, it will be of a different color, and as it goes out, its color is changing. So this effect is not very practical. I mean, unless you're building a very design centric website. But the motivation behind showing you this is uh, that it is possible to have multiple layers of animation for a single DOM element. With that, I wanted to bring the basic tutorial to get started with CS animations to an end. Please let me know what other topics you want me to touch on in my coding in the coding studio. Uh, and super happy for all of the guys tuning in. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for supporting. If you have suggestions, concerns, topics, points of discussion, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below. I would really like it if you guys subscribe. That will help the channel grow and that will help me reach out to more coding enthusiasts.